Hello everyone, welcome to this video. We are doing question number 10 from H.C. Verma book Concepts of Physics 1 from chapter 3 Kinematics. According to the question, from the velocity time plot shown in the figure, find the distance traveled by the particle during the first 40 seconds. Also find the average velocity during this period. In this question, we are given a velocity time graph and we have to find the distance traveled in the first 40 seconds. So in this 40 seconds, so how to find the distance? Distance is equal to the area under VT graph. Distance would be the area under VT graph. Now the area from 0 to 20 seconds is positive and the area from 20 to 40 seconds is negative. We can see that. But for the distance, we will always take the mode. So even if the area is negative, we will take the value only the magnitude of the area. So now we have to find the areas of these two triangles basically. So how to find the area? We will just put the formula of the triangle, that is half into base into height. Base of the triangle is 20, the first triangle is 20 and the height is 5 plus mod of base of the triangle is again 20 to 40 may be base again 20 ही है, the base is again 20 and the height is minus 5, but we will take it as 5 because we are taking the mode. We are only concerned about the magnitude of the area. So the value would come out to be 50 plus 50, that is equal to 100 meters. So the distance traveled by the particle in 40 seconds would be 100 meters. Now we have to find the average velocity during this period. Average velocity is equal to displacement divided by time. Displacement divided by time. Now in the displacement, we are not only concerned with the magnitude but also the direction. In the first triangle, the direction is towards positive and in the second the direction is negative. In the first triangle, the particle covers 50 meters in the positive direction and in the second triangle the particle covers 50 meters in the negative direction. So the overall displacement of the particle would be 50 minus 50. As the particle moves 50 meters positive and then comes back 50 meters. So therefore there would not be any displacement. The particle has returned to the initial position only. So therefore the displacement would be 0 in 40 seconds. So the average velocity would come out to be 0 because the displacement would be 0. I hope you have understood the question. Thank you.